In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a layer in Figma without its fill in just 5 minutes. This process is surprisingly straightforward, and by the end of this video you will be able to do it with ease, so let's dive right in. First, let's head over to Figma, which is our trusty collaborative interface design tool. Simply open up your web browser and navigate to Figma's homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right of the screen. Click on it and log into your Figma account if you haven't already. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. A quick tip here is to ensure you're using an updated web browser for the best experience, as this provides better performance and access to the latest features, keeping your design workflow smooth. Great! Once you're on Figma's homepage, find and click on the Home option. This is your command center where all your design files and projects live. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. This will help you locate your files quickly in future projects. Now locate the file or the team project you're working on. Click on Design to enter your working space. This is where the magic happens. Now with your design file open, the next step is to select the frame that you want to work with. A frame in Figma acts like an artboard in other design software, serving as the primary workspace area for your components and elements. Once you've chosen the appropriate frame, click on it. Remember that selecting the correct frame is crucial for ensuring that you only modify and export the specific elements you need. Next, let's address the fill part. Click on Fill in the right-hand panel of your Figma interface. This panel is where you can adjust a plethora of options related to your selected objects, including colors, stroke styles, and effects, to name a few. It shows you the color fill currently applied to your frame. Since we're aiming to export the layer without its fill, what we're essentially doing is making the fill transparent or removing it. Finally, with the fill selected, you'll find an option that says Show in Exports. Clicking this will control how your elements are rendered when you export them. By ensuring your fill is set correctly for exports, you can manage whether it appears or not in the final output. And there you have it, a simple process to export your layer without the fill. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on how to export layers without their fill using Figma. Remember, practice is key, so don't hesitate to try this on different projects to solidify your understanding. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials.